guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do my 5 product makeup look, and you guys really love my 5 product makeup look where I try out to do my entire makeup using only 5 makeup products. Videos are like really useful, and I always say this, like, you see how you can use the product as much as possible in so many different ways. So yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so obviously first I'm gonna moisturize my skin, and for that I'm gonna take my Aureana Luminos brightening day cream. And this is a beautiful product as it contains a very hydrating, and also as this is from their luminous range, it is going to give me a beautiful glowing, like a healthy glow underneath my base makeup. Let's see how hydrating that is. Really love the product. Second step, I'm gonna use my Essence mousse makeup, and this is like a mousse foundation. I know so many of you actually purchased because I recommended this particular product. It looks very disgusting, but it is a beautiful product, I can say. So it's just like a mousse. You'll not get this in Nykaa. I purchased it from Myntra, by the way. And yeah, this is in the shade 02 Matte Beige. It is such a beautiful, like, see, it's so pretty, very lightweight. And I'm just going to buffer this all over my skin. I am not dragging the product, I am just buffering it all over my skin. Take a little bit for my forehead. I am going to use my e.l.f. HD powder. I've purchased this powder, and oh my god, I am truly in love. This is a translucent powder, and this is so lightweight. I personally love the product, and whenever we go out, sometimes our face do feel like it is looking too much powdery. I feel like you should definitely invest in some powder like this, which is like translucent. It is so lightweight. Even if I apply too much, still my skin is not going to look too much powdery. I don't know why. I'm just going to use it on my face as well. Light hand tapping motion, just so my face gets all the product, and especially my nose area where it tends to get a little bit cakey. I am going to give a little bit of color because my face is looking very pale. So I'm going to use this cream blush from Daughter and Earth, but this is like way too much for me. So what I will do, this is like a quick trick. What you can do, take your foundation just a little bit on top of your finger, and now take your cream blush. So what this is actually doing, this is actually eliminating the intensity of the product. So it will just look like a flush of color. For my eyes, I'm gonna use this particular palette from Kiko Milano. This one is their Mood Boost palette, and it's like a basic everyday kind of eyeshadow palette, but I'm gonna take the shimmer shade, which is this one right over here, and use it on my inner corner and take it a little bit upwards. For the last step, I'm going to use a little bit of tint. I'm smudging it all over my lip line so that it looks like a very soft tint of color. This is what my face looks like, my 5 product face, and it's like very easy, super minimal. Just literally took me maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is looking so good, so fresh, and like so quick. I just love how it actually turned out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so much, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.